Hello, fitness enthusiasts, and welcome back to Fit Ostrich, the place where we make fitness accessible to everyone, right from the comfort of your home. Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate guide to home workout equipment. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking to upgrade your home gym, we've got you covered with essential insights and tips to build your perfect workout space. So grab your notepad and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about understanding your fitness goals. Why? Because your goals will significantly influence the type of equipment you need. Are you looking to build muscle, improve cardiovascular health, enhance flexibility, or maybe a combination of these? Each goal might require different tools. For muscle building, you might lean towards resistance bands and weights. For cardio, perhaps a jump rope or a stationary bike. And for flexibility, a yoga mat and stability ball could be your go-tos. Remember, clarity in your fitness objectives is the first step in creating an effective home gym. Next up, space consideration. Not everyone has the luxury of a dedicated gym room, but don't let that deter you. Many pieces of equipment are designed with space saving in mind. Adjustable dumbbells, foldable workout benches, and door-mounted pull-up bars are fantastic for tight spaces. Measure your available space and imagine how it can transform into your workout area. Think creatively. Even the smallest corner can become a powerful spot for your fitness transformation. Now, let's talk numbers. Budgeting for your home gym is crucial. It's easy to get carried away, but remember, you don't need to break the bank to get fit. Start with the essentials tailored to your fitness goals and gradually build from there. There are great budget-friendly options and second-hand deals that can be just as effective. Also, consider investing more in versatile equipment that offers a range of workout options. A quality piece that serves multiple purposes can save you money in the long run. Moving on to the essentials, let's break down the must-have home workout equipment. Resistance bands, affordable, versatile, and great for strength training. Adjustable dumbbells, space-efficient and perfect for a variety of exercises. Yoga mat. For yoga, Pilates, and any floor exercises providing comfort and stability. Jump rope. A fantastic tool for cardiovascular health that can be used almost anywhere. Stability ball. Excellent for core exercises, improving balance, and even as a desk chair to work on your posture. Each of these items can be used in a multitude of ways to cater to different aspects of fitness. For those looking to take their home gym to the next level, consider these advanced equipment options: stationary bike or treadmill. For those serious about cardio and have the space. Weighted vest adds extra resistance to body weight workouts. Kettlebells for strength training, flexibility, and cardiovascular health. Pull-up bar. For upper body strength, door-mounted options can be space savers. Rowing machine. Excellent for full-body workouts and cardiovascular health. These pieces can add variety and intensity to your workouts, ensuring you continue to challenge your body and progress. Having the right equipment is one thing, but creating a workout routine that you can stick to is another. Start by defining a weekly schedule that includes a mix of strength training, cardio, and flexibility workouts. Use the equipment you have to create balanced routines, and don't forget to include rest days for recovery. There are plenty of free online resources and apps to help you craft effective workouts, or consider consulting with a personal trainer for a customized plan. And that wraps up our ultimate guide to home workout equipment. Remember, the most important step is getting started, and from there you can continuously build and adapt your home gym to fit your evolving fitness journey. Whether you're piecing together your first set of equipment or looking to upgrade your setup, the key is to keep moving towards your fitness goals, one day at a time. Thanks for tuning into Fit Ostrich. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and guides. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and keep pushing forward. See you in the next video.